What if I told you that the secret to getting rid of tingling hands, shaky legs, and stiff joints wasn't a pill, wasn't an expensive injection, and wasn't it even some complicated medical procedure, but something as simple as the snacks you enjoy every day? Imagine that. Foods that taste amazing, that you actually look forward to eating, could also help your body rebuild itself, ease nerve tingling, and bring strength back to your legs. See, most people think that once you pass 60, aches, stiffness, or that pins and needles feeling in your hands is just part of aging. But new research shows that's not true at all. A lot of these issues come down to one powerful protein inside your body, collagen. It's the glue that keeps everything steady. Your joints, your bones, your nerves, even your skin. And the exciting news? You can actually give your body a collagen boost every single day just by choosing the right foods. In today's video, I'm sharing 8 tasty collagen snacks that not only satisfy your cravings but also support your nerves, joints, and mobility. And the best part? They're simple, affordable, and backed by science. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add these snacks to your routine so you can finally say goodbye to tingling hands and weak legs. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you never miss future tips here on Healthy Horizons. And if you find this helpful, tap that like button. It really supports the channel and helps spread the word. Alright, let's dive in. Why collagen matters after 60. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body. Think of it as scaffolding. It holds everything together, from your skin to your cartilage to the cushion around your nerves. Without it, your body simply doesn't function the same way. The problem is, once you hit your 30s, your collagen production naturally slows down. By the time you're in your 60s, you may have lost over half of your natural collagen, and that's when the problems start. Your knees feel stiff when you stand up. Your hands tingle or go numb when you're resting. Your legs feel weak or wobbly when you walk. It is not just getting old. It's your body running low on the very glue that holds it together. The good news is that collagen loss isn't a one-way street. By eating foods rich in collagen, or foods that give your body the exact building blocks it needs to make collagen, you can rebuild. You can protect your joints, strengthen your nerves, and keep your legs moving with ease. That's what makes today's snacks so powerful. They're not just tasty, they're targeted fuel for your body's repair system. Let's start with the first one. Snack number 1. Dark chocolate midnight clusters. When people think of chocolate, they think of candy bars or guilty pleasures. But the truth is, real dark chocolate is one of the most powerful foods you can eat for collagen support. Dark chocolate, especially the kind with 70–85% cacao, is loaded with flavonols and proanthocyanidins. These are plant compounds that help your body create new stem cells, lower inflammation, and protect your DNA from damage. That's a science-heavy way of saying it helps your body repair itself from the inside out. And since collagen is constantly being broken down and rebuilt, those antioxidants are crucial for keeping joints strong and nerves healthy. Dr. William Li, a leading researcher on food and health, actually lists dark chocolate as one of his top foods for regeneration, and the best part? You can easily turn it into a collagen-boosting snack. Here's how. Melt about 1 ounce of high-quality dark chocolate. Stir in roasted almonds and a teaspoon of dried goji berries. Spoon little clusters onto a tray and chill until firm. What you get is more than just a sweet treat. The chocolate provides antioxidants, the almonds give amino acids your body uses to build collagen, and the goji berries add vitamin C to help your body use those nutrients. This is indulgence with purpose. It satisfies your sweet tooth but also works quietly behind the scenes, helping you move easier, easing tingling, and keeping your joints supple. Just one small cluster a day can be a game changer. Snack number 2. Gelatin fruit nibbles. Most people think of gelatin as a wiggly dessert from childhood, but few realize gelatin is basically collagen that's already broken down into a form your body can absorb instantly. It's loaded with amino acids like glycine and proline, the very building blocks your body needs to repair tissues. In fact, studies have shown that people who consume gelatin before exercise report up to 37% less joint pain over time. That's huge when you think about climbing stairs, standing up, or even just walking comfortably. Making it into a snack couldn't be easier. Warm 1 cup of unsweetened cherry or pomegranate juice on the stove. Stir in 2 tablespoons of plain gelatin until dissolved. Pour into small molds, add chopped nuts or fresh berries if you'd like, and refrigerate until firm. What you end up with is a soft, chewy snack that goes down easily but works hard inside your body. For anyone over 60, especially if you're dealing with stiff knees or weak legs, these little fruit bites can help restore flexibility and strength from the inside out. They're simple, they're tasty, and they're packed with collagen power. Snack number 3. Chicken bone broth. Bites bone broth has been used for centuries as a healing food, and for good reason. When you simmer chicken bones slowly over hours, the collagen inside breaks down into gelatin, which your body can easily use. But bone broth isn't just collagen. It's also rich in minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium, all of which support nerve health and muscle strength. Plus, amino acids like glycine and proline directly repair connective tissues. Here's what makes it special. When you cool homemade bone broth, it naturally gels. That gel is collagen at work. You can warm it into a soothing drink or pour it into small containers to set into collagen bites. Add a squeeze of lemon or sprinkle of parsley, and you've got a daily snack that repairs from the inside out. Even half a cup a day can make your joints smoother, ease that crackly stiffness, and strengthen weak legs. It's comfort food that doubles as medicine for your joints and nerves. Snack number 4. Cantaloupe mint cubes. Collagen can't be made without vitamin C. That's where cantaloupe comes in. Just 1 cup of cantaloupe gives you nearly 2/3 of your daily vitamin C needs, making it one of the easiest collagen-supporting snacks around. Cut fresh cantaloupe into cubes, squeeze on some lime juice, toss in a few mint leaves, and sprinkle with pistachios. What you get is a refreshing, hydrating snack that's easy to chew and packed with nutrients. The vitamin C kickstarts collagen production, the pistachios add protein and healthy fats to reduce inflammation, and the mint supports digestion. It's light, it's refreshing, and it gives your joints exactly what they need to stay flexible. Snack number 5. Tomato caprese salad. Snack. Tomatoes are a collagen powerhouse hiding in plain sight. They're rich in vitamin C and an antioxidant called lycopene, which helps protect the collagen you already have. To make it into a snack, slice ripe tomatoes and layer them with mozzarella or avocado. Drizzle with olive oil and top with basil. The olive oil helps your body absorb lycopene better, while the basil supports digestion. This isn't just a tasty cafe-style snack. Inside your body, it's reducing inflammation, protecting collagen, and helping your tissues stay strong. It's light, refreshing, and great for easing stiffness or tingling. Snack number 6. Guava Power Yogurt Bowl. Guava is one of the richest sources of vitamin C on the planet, far higher than oranges. And vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis. Chop ripe guava and mix it into plain Greek yogurt. Add honey, lime juice, and chopped almonds or walnuts. The yogurt gives protein, the guava provides vitamin C, and the nuts add minerals for tissue repair. This bowl is more than a snack. It's a complete collagen support system. It strengthens your joints, supports nerves, and keeps your body flexible. And it tastes fantastic. Snack number 7. Kiwi Crunch Snack. Just 2 or 3 kiwis a day can give your body a huge dose of vitamin C, plus fiber and antioxidants. For collagen support, kiwi is one of the simplest and most powerful choices. Slice kiwi, sprinkle with almonds or walnuts, and if you'd like, add a pinch of chili flakes or sea salt. That little kick boosts circulation, which helps nutrients reach your nerves and joints more efficiently. It's tangy, crunchy, and collagen-friendly, a perfect daily habit to fight tingling hands and weak legs. Snack number 8. Pineapple Nut Bites. Pineapple is unique because it contains bromelain, an enzyme that fights inflammation at the root. Combine that with vitamin C and you've got a true joint and nerve supporter. Cut pineapple chunks, toss with cashews or macadamia nuts, and add a sprinkle of cinnamon and fresh mint. The nuts bring protein and healthy fats, while cinnamon balances blood sugar and reduces inflammation. This sweet, crunchy snack is like a tropical dessert, but inside it's actively repairing and soothing your joints. Conclusion. So there you have it. 8 powerful collagen snacks that do more than just taste good. They give your body the exact building blocks it needs to repair nerves, strengthen joints, and bring stability back to your legs and hands. Dark chocolate clusters, gelatin fruit bites, chicken bone broth, cantaloupe mint cubes, tomato caprese stacks, guava yogurt bowls, kiwi crunch snacks, and pineapple nut bites. Each one is simple, delicious, and packed with benefits. Remember, you don't need to overhaul your diet overnight. Even adding 1 or 2 of these snacks into your daily routine can make a big difference over time. Every bite is a step towards saying goodbye to tingling hands, weak legs, and stiff joints, and hello to strength, comfort, and mobility. If this video helped you, please tap that like button, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Horizons for more natural, science-backed health tips. And I'd love to know, out of these 8 snacks, which one are you excited to try first? Drop your answer in the comments below. Until next time, take care of yourself, and here's to living healthier, stronger, and more vibrant, one delicious bite at a time.